Press the subscribe and bell icon to get notified about the latest content. Hello everyone, I'm Tanushree and welcome to my channel The Desi Diva. So this video is about Sarojini Nagar Market during festival and COVID-19. Since SN Market is one of the popular market in Delhi, so I thought of checking this market during festive season and pandemic. So last week I went to SN Market thinking that will not be crowded. However, I was surprised to see a lot of crowd there. On top of it, no one was following safety measures. Now, I'm scared of going to any market till this pandemic is over, and I would suggest you the same as well. Try to go for online shopping instead of going to any market, and if it is really urgent that you need to visit market, please follow all the safety measures. So I'm signing off for now and wish you a very happy Diwali in advance. Also, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you like the video. I'll see you soon with my next video. Till then, take care.